Everyone, this is Raghavashini and I am going to explain about logic gates. Now we are going to do an experiment in logic gates, and aim of the experiment is to study about logic gates and verify their truth tables. Apparatus required for doing the experiments are shown in this table. These 9 components and their specification and the quantities they are needed are given in the table here. Now let's know about logic gates. What is logic gates? Circuit that takes the logical decision and the process are called logic gates. Each gate has one or more input and only one output. OR, AND and NOT are basic gates. NAND, NOR and XOR are known as universal gates. Basic gates form these gates. And the AND gate performs a logical multiplication commonly known as AND function. The output is high when both the inputs are high. The output is low when one of the input is low. OR gate. The OR gate performs a logical addition commonly known as OR function. The output is high when any one of the input is high and the output is low level when both the inputs are low. NOT gate. The NOT gate is called an inverter. The output is high when the input is low. The output is low when the input is high. NAND gate. The NAND gate is a contraction of AND NOT. The output is high when both the inputs are low and any one of the input is low. The output is low when both the inputs are high. And now it's NOR gate. The NOR gate is a contraction of OR and NOT gate. The output is high when both the inputs are low. The output is low when both the inputs are high. XOR gate. The output is high when any one of the input is high. The output is low when both the inputs are low and both the inputs are high. And here shown is the symbol, truth table and pin diagram of the AND gate. And for the OR gate, for the NOR gate, for the NOT gate, and this is for XOR gate, NAND gate. And the procedure for the experiment is connections are given as per the circuit diagram. Look the before slide. We have a pin diagram right here, and that pin diagram helps us to give the connections for the circuit. Switch on the digital lab trainer kit. Inputs are given using the toggle switch. Observe the output and verify the truth table. And the result is the function of all logic gates are studied and verified. They are true.